AI with Alex Merced.
Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, your friendly neighborhood Lakehouse and AI guy. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Agentic AI. So basically, we've talked about LLM so far. And LLMs, essentially what we're doing is we're taking language in and we're getting language out. So I get text in, text out. But it doesn't necessarily do anything. It doesn't submit and send my email for me. It doesn't create the report that I send to my boss. It may provide me the text that I can then copy and paste into a report or into an email, but it doesn't do it for me. There's still more actions that I have to take on my behalf. Now, agentic AI is when we take the LM and we essentially build what we'll talk about later is a harness around it. Okay, one way to think about it, like the analogy I like is that your brain, imagine you have your brain, okay? Your brain is a source of intelligence, okay? Now, the brain itself cannot act. The brain itself cannot lift a hammer. It cannot speak. But the brain is attached to my body, aka a harness that has those capabilities, okay? It has tools to doing things. For example, I can grab things with my hand. I can speak with my mouth. Okay, but again, without my brain, it would just be a mouth and hands doing nothing. But it's the combination of the intelligence, the brain, and again, the harness, the body, that now we've now taken it from just being able to get information or just spit out a response of intelligence to actually taking action. Okay, so AI agents are when you sort of, again, take that brain, the LLM, and stick it inside of a body or a harness of some sort that gives it capabilities beyond just responding in text. Generally, these capabilities are referred to as tools. So essentially, every AI agent, okay, essentially, there's a thin line between what an AI agent is and a harness is. We'll dive deeper into that. But they generally are going to have tools that they can call. Again, what a tool is, essentially, at the end of the day, is just a programming function. But the idea, it has things in the same way that I can then tell my arm to go move around or go grab a thing, okay? An agent or an LLM can then tell its tools to do things. Now it has a level of action of autonomous. So that's when we think about agentic AI, what's the difference between just generative AI, using an LLM to say, hey, write me an email, and then copying and pasting that into my Gmail, versus saying, hey, can you write me an email? It writes the email and actually sends it for me. Okay, those are sort of the difference between generative AI and agentic AI. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Ciao.
Learn more with books.